Hello and welcome to another session in mathematics lesson. Today we'll look at quadratic equation under formula method. But before we proceed, let's take a look at what we did in our previous lesson. Welcome back. Our objective is to learn how to use the formula method of quadratic equation to solve problems. Okay, so let's quickly go down to business. Generally, formula method is given as x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, where a is the coefficient of x squared, and then b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Okay, so let's now apply this formula in some problems. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Let us start. The first thing we need to do is to find our a, our b, and our c. Our a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is what? Is 1. Coefficient of x squared here is 1. We find b, which is the coefficient of x, and it is 5. We find c, which is the constant, it's 4. And generally x is given as what? Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let us now substitute. X will then be equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is 4. Okay, all over 2 times a, and our a is what? Is 1. Okay, x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared is 25. Half minus 4 times 1, which will give us minus 4, and minus 4 times 4 will give us minus 16. Okay, and then we have 2 times 1, 2. Therefore our x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16 will give us what? 9 all over 2. Okay, so our x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 9 is what? Is 3 all over 2. Okay, at this point x is equal to minus 5 plus 3 over 2, or minus 5 minus 3 over 2. And then we'll have minus 5 plus 3 will give us 2 over 2, or minus 5 minus 3 will give us minus 8 over 2. X is equal to 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, or minus 8 divided by 2 will give us minus what? 4 as the values of x. Okay, let's take example number 2. 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. Okay, we have our a to be equal to 2, our b is 5, and our c is 1. We apply x to be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our x will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times 1 all over 2 times 2. Our x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 1 is also 8 all over 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, then our x is then equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 8. What do we have? We have 17 all over 4. Okay, then our x is then equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 17 is 4.123 all over 4. X is equal to minus 5 plus 4.123 all over 4, or minus 5 minus 4.123 all over 4. Then our X will be equal to minus 5 plus 4.123 will give us 0.877 minus 0.877 all over 4, and then we'll have 9.123 all over 4. Remember, it's a negative 9 because of the negative sign here. So our X is equal to minus 0.22, or this divided by 4 will give us minus 2.28 approximately. Okay, having learned the formula method of quadratic equation, kindly take the test on the screen. Welcome back. So far we've been able to cover the formula method of quadratic equation. I will call it a day here. In our next class we'll go over to graphical method of quadratic equation. Do well to use the lesson notes on the platform for further information on the topic we just treated today, and feel free to drop your comment on the comment section in case there's any confusion on what we've just done today. Till we meet in our next class, stay safe and bye.